Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about the Azure and AWS DevOps. Today, we shall discuss part 4 about how to configure application load balancer and VMSS. And it is the last part of this series. In this channel, you can get the training about the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure, Web CICD. If you face any issue, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All video on this channels are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today, we shall start the last lecture about the how to configure application load balancer and VMSS. Now we are in the tab of networking tab. In the networking tab, first of all, we shall select the Azure load balancer. When we select the load balancer, after that we shall click on the create load balancer. When we click on the create load balancer, we shall get the interface like this. This is the interface in order to create the load balancer that we shall use for the VMSS. First of all, we shall write the name of the load balancer. After that, we shall select the type, which is public, and the protocol, which is TCP. And after that, we shall check the load balancer rule, inboard net rule, and at last we shall click on the create. When we click on the create button, our load balancer will be created with this name, November 15 load balancer VMSS. Now in the step 3, when you have selected the Azure load balancer, at this position you will find the load balancer that we have configured in the last step, November 15 load balancer. After that, click on the review and create. When you click on the review and create, the next tab is about the tags. Take it is default value. And the last one, when you click on the review and create, when you click on the review and create, you will get the validation passed in this case. Validation passed in this case when you click on the review and create. When the validation is passed, you will click on the button create. This will create the virtual machine skill set for us. When we click on the create button, the process for the creation of the VMSS will start. You can see that the deployment in the progress in this case. After some time, the VMSS will be created. Then in the VMS, you will, in the networking section, you will find the load balancer. Load balancer in this section, load balancer front end IP is this one. You can see this IP will be used to access the VMSS on the internet. And moreover, in order to check the number of instances running in the VMSS, you will click on the instance as you can see on the screenshot. At this time, only one VM is running in our VMSS. Now we shall test the VMS, how VMS will work now. In order to test this VMSS, we shall first of all we shall RDC the VMSS, and after that we shall open the PowerShell prompt and we shall apply this script. You can see in the screen this script. This script will create the 7 jobs. We are creating this script because we want to increase the percentage of the CPU so that we can demonstrate the auto scaling of our VM. When we shall execute this script in the PowerShell, you will check in the task manager the percentage of the CPU will shoot up like 92%. As in the configuration of the VMS, we have configured that when the CPU usage is 50%, our auto scaling should trigger. As in this case, the percentage is 92%. So you can see that our auto scaling has been triggered. Like in this screenshot, you can see that one VM is adding in our VMSS in this case. After some time, we shall get the 2 VMs in our VMSS like this one. You can see that our auto scaling triggered, and after some time we get 2 VMs running. In the start, I have shown you there is only one VM in the start, but by the demonstration, by using the PowerShell script, we check that auto scaling triggered and we get 2 VMS running. This is the final part of this series, and we have configured everything in the VMSS. Wish you good luck for your career.